watching the videos where the children have shared with us that how did their parents respond when they were feeling sad. तो वो छोटी बच्ची का अगर हम सोचें तो उसकी माँ ने उसको पैसिफाई करने के लिए और सूद करने के लिए बोला कि यू नो इट्स नॉट ट्रू, भूल जाओ. सो वी कैन सी that the girl is very troubled. And here, I would say that many of us as parents, we tend to do this. But we need to reflect that with children, they are seeking validation of their feelings and acknowledgement of their feelings from us. And they work best with honesty. So as parents, we should say that yes, you have been troubled by your friends in the bus. बहुत दुख की बात है. It must be very, very troublesome for you. So I can understand that. Let her stay with her feelings for some time. And later on, as a parent, we need to empower the child and tell her that come, let's sit and discuss how best can you face this situation. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम उन लड़कियों से जाके लड़ाई करेंगे, लेकिन हमें एक रास्ता सुझाना है अपने बच्चों को कि ऐसे में हम कैसे सिचुएशन को फेस करें. और फॉर द बॉय इन द येलो टी शर्ट, he clearly wants to be distracted, so he wants the iPad to play a video game or to see a story. So fine, but later on again we need to just engage in a discussion with him to find out कि भाई क्या हुआ, आपको उदासी हो रही है, तो आप मुझे ये बताइए कि इसमें हम सामने कैसे करें, इस परिस्थिति का सामना कैसे करें. हाउ शुड वी फेस द सिचुएशन. एंड वंस वी गेट द चिल्ड्रन थिंकिंग, दे फील that they are more in control of the situation. They can come up with a solution and this makes them feel confident. जो हमारे बड़े बच्चे थे तीनों, वहां हमने देखा that their parents respected them for their feelings. They acknowledged their feelings, and therefore the boy in the red t-shirt, the girl in the white t-shirt, और जो लास्ट में लड़की थी जो चुटिया के साथ, उसने भी बोला कि मेरे मम्मी पापा जानते हैं कि मैं सेंसिटिव हूं, तो वो मुझसे पूछते हैं कि आर यू ओके. सो यस, in these responses, in these sharings, we can see that their parents understand them, and this leads to emotional security. बच्चे emotionally secure होते हैं और इसकी वजह से वो जब encourage और motivate हो जाते हैं तो वो confident बनते हैं. So this is what I would say, that we need to engage with children in a meaningful and relevant manner and also be honest with them.